All right, I want to do a video on these handguards I just got for this Kawasaki Vaquero. It's a 2016. I have JSR 12s with 2-inch risers and aftermarket windshield that's been trimmed. And basically, I wanted to know if these were going to fit. You get these on Amazon about $30. I use them for winter riding when it gets cold. I just got them because I want to try and ride longer into the season. They're really simple. For 30 bucks, I think you can't beat it. I did want to show you, they are modified a little bit. See, I had to drill a couple extra holes because this one has not been drilled yet. Because of my bar setup, when I turn the bike, it does hit the windshield. Just like that, it touched that windshield. So I did was I re-drilled the holes to offset the guard out a little bit. You set the guard up so it's not hitting the lever, and use the bolt underneath there. Use that bolt right there, which is your clutch lever bolt and brake lever bolt. That's a 10 mil bolt under there, so 10 mil there, 4 mil Allen keys, and these are acorn nuts, so you can use just pliers or a small wrench on that. Anyway, you can see I offset the hole on both of these, and this cover's covering the one that's right there. So I moved it. That's probably about 1 inch out from the original hole. It's gonna leave a hole in there. I don't care. It's 30 bucks. Keeps the wind off my hands in the winter. But all I did was find your spot and drill it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Real simple. Like I said, 4 mil Allen key, and it bolts right up. And it completely clears the bars on this side. Just that little 1 inch offset sets it farther out. And I think it covers the hand up better. Because if you look at this one, I'll put this bar back up. If you look at this one, it almost looks like it's not out far enough. So, like, I can see I'm hitting that lever on the outside. So I think it looks better spaced out. These are like a smoke. They're not like a black. I probably would have gone gloss black if they had it, but we'll see. I think they look pretty good for what they are. Keep the wind off in the winter. Be real easy to remove too for when summer gets here. Just take a 10 mil nut off and you're good to go. I do recommend Loctiting that. So I'm gonna take this back apart, drill those new holes, and yeah, we'll be good to go. All right, so I pulled that back off, and you can see the outer bracket, and it's almost exactly 1 inch space between the old bolt hole and the new bolt hole. So all I'm gonna do is mark that spot, drill it out, stick it on the bike, Loctite together. Should be good to go. Real simple. If they hold up, can't beat it for 30 bucks. If not, you're only down 30 bucks. So I don't know, seemed like pretty good quality. Brackets seem nice and sturdy, so I'll throw this one together. All right, so drill your first hole, put your bolt and acorn nut in. Make sure you line up that other hole of your bracket with the backside. You can see through it. It's pretty obvious in person. And then check it against your windshield. It now clears, no problem. Hits the windshield, touches up there. You can see the mark. But good enough for what I'm doing with it. So I'm going to drill the second hole while it's on the bike. What I'm going to do is aim for the through hole on the other side. Nothing to it. Like I said, is it perfect? Probably not. Is it good enough for me? Yeah. I think you're going to get scratched up and stuff anyway. So throw the other bolt in. You can see plenty of room, high enough that keeps the wind off your grips. I got heated grips on this, so keeping wind off the back of my gloves will be nice. And yeah, should be good from there.